supposed to do something for you. Right there and then, you know what I do? I set him a set up people who say corruption against Rhoda me because to our family, our this and that, she makes you go get work, yes, so. And him now emphasize on the fact that you were being victimized because you are a labor right. And more so a relative of the MP that make you them take them don't renew your contract.
They did
but I
not
respect
renew my
how you
contract,
say,
sir. They did not renew my
and I
contract.
respect the and I respect the fact that you are not pointing a finger on the mirror individually, but collectively them victimize you. And now if I chat up in mouth now, so Chewy and Rhoda a family and your MP is supposed to find a work.
In a one job. No, me not look for it.
So let me tell you this. Let me tell you something.
Anything me I do, me do it by myself. Me not look hands out. As much as Rhoda is a family of mine, I don't look hands out from Rhoda. I don't. And I will continue to work for Rhoda is my family. And I will continue to work for her. And I will continue to vote for her no matter what.
I have a mother that used to work at a school.
I'm never tell you, Lord, if a post-rat cat come to Labour Right Party in a central Manchester, Suzette is gonna vote for them. Because me now vote for PMP. And guess what? I can't do me yard and no vote. So no matter so if Rhoda did never did one or anything, me still did not vote for Labour Right.
Yeah, you have to talk about you know, take up in nobody, but I wish she said.
But the first thing what you should have said, sir, the first thing you should have said is that they were wrong to not renew her contract. That's what you should have said.
That's why I have to talk about church. You can't continue to go church. Because people like people like couldn't make me care with my salvation. Because when me hear all them take me attack. I never lose my church, lose my soul. Me have to talk about church.
All of them time me me and me run my business and me do whatever me have to do to make life.
This is not nothing new on the PNP. That's how they behave.
Man, me tell you. I was at Manchester Infirmary working all along. And from Rhoda stepped in as an MP, started to say campaign for an MP. Rhoda win the election. The contract right after that. My contract was not renewing. Never renewing. It was never renewing.
Donovan Mitchell. You talk say you don't want Donovan Mitchell. You say you don't want police don't sitting. Yeah, sabotage people out of their work. Donovan Mitchell, you know, say I want to depend your drunk. Dog shit.
Me say nothing. Me say me go through all of them. Me go through.
Me cuss them, man. That me can't take good on him.
I go to Donovan and me tell Donovan about it. Donovan remarks was that he has no control over that.
Lie, Mattel. Lie, Mattel.
I went to him. I went to him. But me know the reason why. Me didn't know the reason why. Me didn't know the reason why.
Fly them.
No, Marlene, that's it. Marlene, somebody tell you can't
They didn't know the reason why. They never. Let me tell you, they know.
Hold on, Suzette. Was that in 89?
Yeah.
When PNP win the election. You see?
Yeah.
Everybody that liberate to work on a seabed with Siaga bill. Every liberate work on a seabed. Well, Siaga bill, them run with the wall at them. Them run with the wall at them. So I don't know new. They've been doing this for years now. I don't know new with them. That's so they're victimized, vindictive.
Yes, yes, I have been a victim of them. I have been a victim of them. But guess what? It's not the only thing when me no love with Labour Right Party to call Labour Right Party. Me accustomed to, you know. They not stand up. They not stand up for each other, man. Cause something like that on your ear and something. Come on, man. Fight for me, man. Cause me fight for you when time come. Yeah.
Suzette, let me tell you why it's so hard. You see? Why some of
Me understand.
why it's hard to fight some of the time. You see, when it comes on to This is why I don't understand in the last local government election in Manchester. When it comes on to local government, I believe that, you see, if we did have more talk in a local government, because Rhoda is the
Yes.
MP, Rhoda have not much talk in a local
Yeah.
government.
Yeah.
You understand? Local government the mayor run the parish, so to say. So and when it comes on to any entity we fall under local government, it drop on the back of whosoever are running. So this is why we have a problem. And back to where Godson did I say is that it's a problem in a Jamaica where we have faced from 19 how long until now, and we would have loved to fix it that despite your party, you have to get work.
Me believe
You
in that.
understand? Despite your
Fredhead.
party, you have to get work. But at the let me finish. But at the same time, things have become so tribalistic that if tomorrow morning in a Manchester you have to hear say if in next election in Manchester you have to hear say JLP are gonna take parish council, it come like and wipe out everybody, so everybody lose their work to put in Labour Party. And I don't believe that it should be so. It should be that if you qualify for the work, you get the work.
Yes. But if me
Cricket.
never qualify and not me, I work there and a half for 7 years. 7 years, me did it on and half.
All right. Morning, everybody.
I've been
And,
voicing this for the past few weeks.
okay.
We as labor right, we need to start standing up for labor right. See, this
Yes,
young
labor.
lady lost her work, and that is
Yes.
definitely political
Yes.
victimization.
I'm here the
And
only
as
one
far
that
as
down
I
here.
see it,
Look
okay,
here. I can't
labor
tell you
right
if
should
you take
come
a
out and
stroll
stand
down.
up for people like these.
If you take a
Anytime
stroll down
you
walk
Manchester
infirmary
JLP,
right
them I tell
now,
you
not even one,
you're
not
not to do
even
this and
as
you're not to
much
do
as
that. Me I cuss them
a labor
and
right.
class them.
But you hear this, do you know? You see, in 2003, when we win the parish council election of Manchester, in Manchester, when we win, Labour Party, we friend up too much of them PNP them down there. The five PNP them still did hold them position in a parish council, roads and works, wherever. At the end of the day, they smile with you, but behind your back, they might kill you. See, the young lady, Susan,
Yes.
instead of saying keep them up at infirmary when I election time, them try intimidate the resident, them up the vote for
Yes,
PNP.
thank
Allow
you.
me
But
to tell
you see,
Susan.
if me did it, it can't go on. Cause when you see what me tell you,
Right,
one thing with Susan, you know, one thing with Susan, you see, whatever she believe in, she gonna stand up for it, you know. She going to
exactly.
stand up
So
for
I
it.
said it, let me just land. But I said this to say that it's time we start to become more politically savvy. Stop friend of PNP because when the Labour Party win, then we smile and then we nice and then we this and that. But when they come to intimidate our people, we'll do that. At times we stand up for our own car. Look then. You're not even too much and not much more a job person. You're caring to people. And at the end of the day, when the time came around for you to for your contract to be renewed, then choose not to renew you because they have politically victimized you. You know? So at times we stand up for our own man. At times we stand up for our own. I
Trigger.
bet you if the minister called Donovan and said,
PNP
Donovan,
make me lose my
wait,
house
I
and me
say,
no want no
minister,
labor right can't tell me nothing. Cause when me live out a door, me couldn't call the labor right and tell them say PNP make me lose my house. So when me a cuss and class them, me no want nobody tell me nothing.
talk the
No,
things and
but of
Mrs.
course, if it's supposed to be class, they class them, call me class them too. Because as me tell you, none Manchester Infirmary, PMP there, Manchester Infirmary. If you want to live right under in Manchester Infirmary, try and make it be known. Try and
Richiga,
make it be known.
labor right
Yeah.
has always been holy and dough over the years. When
And
when
if you're
when
there,
when Bruce
Manchester,
win, when Bruce win, Bruce keep back Omar Davis' brother. Keep him back, as secretary of the cabinet. Can you imagine? The secretary of the
All
cabinet,
them
him
something
keep
don't make
back
no
him.
sense. One thing,
And that's yes, but that
Yeah.
PNP wouldn't do that. PNP
No.
wouldn't do that because sensitive things are gonna talk. And
Yeah.
Carlton Davis in name, Omar
Yeah,
Davis brother.
yeah,
Him
remember
left
him.
off of his own. Yeah, him left
But
off of his
Riggs,
own. Labor right
remember Bruce.
always. Oh, hold on there, brother. Hold on there, wait name.
Yeah.
PNP always do. And the position them all, they make for them support of them. Permanent. That means when the government change,
yes,
them still there.
yes, that's a true. That me
That
love
them
with
do.
them. Anything for
Yeah,
true.
but what me I say
Anything when it
no.
Hold
comes to
on.
PNP
Yes.
and PNP,
Good
them
morning,
I look after
everybody.
you.
Good
PNP
morning.
I look after PNP.
Yeah, but when me I say,
Good morning.
understand, say, if we not tap somewhere, because basically me understand where I say Suzette and it was wrong for the
Yes.
tribe, for the victimization going with you.
Not even
And
that alone. Not
well,
even
I
that
know, you
alone.
understand? No? It is wrong and then it shouldn't happen that way. But at the same time, basically, when me I say, with where Brechin say about Bruce Golding and Obar Davis, brother, let me tell you see, if you not tap somewhere, who are going to tap it? Because we say JLP kind of soft in allowing certain things. But if you look on the JLP party, we are trying to make a difference. But the only
Them
problem,
two principle, them full of too much principle.
no,
Them full of too much principle.
Suzette, if you don't want it, if you don't want the principle, we are gonna have two drunk party.
But the junk,
But then
look here,
cricket,
sometimes you have to
the
call for junk
principle now
party.
No, I gonna
work.
make it change.
The principle now work because with
No,
the
The
what you mean?
principle now,
Constituency.
after me said to you, you have to put one
We
for
are
junk
saying,
party.
I am
But me I
saying
tell you,
that
you know,
if
remember,
you
you know,
are going
PNP
to,
is a
you know, make no
loyalty
sense.
over qualification, you know, brother.
Yeah,
Them
but
now
I
look
am
for
saying
you
it have to
qualified,
tap
you know,
somewhere.
but the loyalty
You
to
have to mix
party.
up. You have to mix up. You have to mix up. You
It have to mix
have to
up,
mix
of
up.
course. It can't be
Yes.
just straight PMP or straight labor right in a
Yeah.
work in our
All
entity.
right, let me give you this a joke.
Well, Craig
Let me
head
give
in
you
a
one of the
Jamaica's
experience
world,
let me
I
have
not
down
so
there.
if you go
Let me
because
give
them
you
not
one of
deal
the
with
Well, we now come out of junk in a tribalistic junk party
all
issue.
right, let me give
We
you,
still
let
have
me
a
give
have that same way if nobody no make a change.
all right, let me give you this history of when me have and that are not just it will happen down there. The day of election, I was at work. Remember, I was told, and when me know you're entitled to 2 hours to go and vote. You see, they make up shift every month. I think it was the 23rd of, I don't remember, but it's the 23rd of something. Um, I said to my supervisor, I'm gonna ask for the day off because they claim to say no when a election day and you go work if you ask for the day from early out. Me ask for the day, me never get it. Me never get it. Me work. And when me ask for me time off, oh, you can't get it yet, you can't get it yet. You know? I said no. I said no. I am entitled for 2 hours. 2 hours to go and vote. You understand me? As somebody said to my supervisor, because she feels that I don't know about all that is going on. I said, no, you have to get somebody. I said, enough person is not here. I said, well, I won't take long because my police station is not far away from here. So there were 3 persons working on the male ward. I will not forget it. I was on the female ward. Everybody else go and go vote, you know. But Susan can't go vote. And if you go vote, then go vote already. But Susan, to wait till hours. Come now, fishy rush. Go to the polling station to go vote. No, you have to call them, you have to get mad and call somebody from over the male ward to come at the female ward and stay there and me go make me ex and come back. You hear me I tell you? That time my supervisor was Miss Williams. And to the day, see she infirmary there and she there and she kick out and there's somewhere else, but she did a fight for infirmary. So now me want out of it. She out of it too.
So that next time it happen, you call the big man, you hear? I'm in charge of infirmary. Then
Who is that?
the big man that Mr. Local Government, this man Mackenzie.
Fuck, every time you call for him place, you can't get him.
Yeah, but you have to understand, say, but me I say you can't get to talk to him through the mayor because of him really responsible for
Look here,
that
me try.
aspect there.
Look here, me try. And me try till me forget about that now. Me depend on
Hold
the
on, Susan,
permission
you're
right
right.
now.
You're right. Any letters to anybody this
You hear
regard?
me tell you say I write letters. The only person I could talk to it was Mr. Francis. But that may his soul rest in peace.
True, man, are the good
Yeah?
person for true. Yeah.
Mr. Pancho, we call him Pancho in a Mandeville. I write, he asked me to write, and I write everything to him, and he went to parish council, and he was supposed to go into a meeting. I think it was after the meeting, we don't have keep in the court because I think he said that something was happening at parish council, so the meeting had to put off. Then he picked up COVID, and that's where everything kind of falter. When he got COVID, you understand? He picked up COVID, and that's it. That was it.
But still not give up hope doing it, but I suggest you continually write your letter. The letter them drop a certain
You know, go back down the car down the south. If go back down the south, there's some attack. Them go some attack me down there now.
But then it must expose to watch how it is being operated.
The only way
Look
me
like a
go back down the south,
PNP HQ that
unless
down
it's
there, so.
other. Only way me go back to Manchester in for me unless it's under one different mayor. Unless PMP now running. Cause if me go down there,
Let me
go down there,
Yeah.
and me get a job back and go back down there, me tell you say, fire go there me ask.
No, okay. But I must say this, do you know, Manchester Labour right not take parish council election serious at all. Sorry if it's about I just
I told them licky when it licky.
Trigger, bossy. Manchester Labour right. Manchester Labour right. Them too damn licky.
Licky
You must say some of them boss call me no licky.
No, but I know man, especially some of young people.
You know me know that guy
Let me
yeah.
tell you, then damn licky.
Somebody in
They
that
have
book
water
me.
taste
You know
in their
I will
hand.
talk a while ago. I talk me know that voice a while ago, you know.
Who me?
Yes.
Yeah, you know we know each other quite well.
Yes. Yes. And you know when me did the Manchester Infirmary I work too.
Yeah. That's why me cannot tell you have to cut. That's why me cannot tell you that them intimidate the residents, them there if vote for PNP all the time.
Exactly. That's why they always a key. That's what look here, that's where his vote come from. No, that's where he always if you know if let me tell you something, if a 20% up there, I the one them was sensible and was a labor right before and said no, a labor right me a vote for. Then we get one thing up there. I say go.
Yeah.
Let me expound on something for Manchester and all for the last, and I believe that local government, I believe and I agree with you, local government wise, Manchester people don't believe the business with local government and they just vote. They're not business. I hear why I say that. If Manchester people did business with local government, Manchester people wouldn't have voted for BNP to win local government.
They say one good council me ever one good council me.
Well on there. Parish Council, Manchester Parish Council mash up Manchester. And I tell anybody any day, come debate me on that. We have a park where don't have a shelter for people. If rain fall, then can't go in there. Every day party have to pay money to go in at the park, and if people want shelter, them have to go in a KFC or somewhere. We have a parish where it's central, and this is the one who hurt me the most. We have a parish that is central between the two cities them, Kingston and Montego Bay. And we get a 45 minutes highway to Kingston, right?
Yeah.
And you're telling me that with a parish that has one of the major university, which is NCU, one of the major teachers college, which is Church Teachers College, you're telling me that the only thing the parish can produce is Blooming Supermarket, Car Center, and Carmart?
That's all.
For young people?
That's all.
And you're telling me that we're not inviting stakeholders. We can say, hey, instead of drive from Kingston, we do no business. We go all the way to Montego Bay. How about opening a depot in a central Manchester so young people can get work when they left college instead of them have to left country and run Ghana town? How about put some of the business them in a central so we can have a more productive? Nothing. The only thing we can't the only thing Manchester, for all the people that were on this platform when I know nothing about Manchester, I'm going to tell you this. Manchester is known for the most Carmart in Jamaica and the most supermarket in Jamaica.
That's why they call it the richest parish.
We're not rich again, you know. We're not rich again. If we're rich again, I must come in, we're rich under.
No one learn to do it.
It is
No,
a
all
disgrace.
go and take
It is
place
a
now. No,
disgrace.
You know, I just cover the country.
No bother with the Susan. No bother with the car.
Susan,
Go cut ties with you if I just so you go.
not do it, not do it.
I just cover the country.
No bother, no. No bother with
Susan,
it.
stop it.
No bother with
Susan,
it.
stop it.
Because Susan, basically, what are the godson? Basically, Susan, where you say you agree with where the good mayor say where they are saying that no problem.
What kind of good me answer?
You know, say I just take over. It come like an nasty.
No, Susan.
Susan,
You know, take over no.
Susan.
We are
Serious
here.
about this, Susan. Take it back. Susan,
Mhm.
take
Yeah,
it
take it back.
back. Me
You take it
serious.
back.
Man, withdraw that
Susan,
statement.
take it
Let's
back.
go with
Susan, bear the
We take
thing,
it
man.
back.
That the Manchester police would have told us in a meeting that 90% of the crime that is happening in Manchester is because of lottery scamming.
Yeah.
And we know that is factual. We know that.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And I am waiting to hear from Manchester Parish Council to explain to me how do you grant so much permit for so much car mart in Manchester, where some of these young people get money to open car mart.
You need to
Uh,
You want the mayor to explain unexplainable
Yeah.
else.
You need to make an apology also. Please. You just start on the live, the whole Jamaica area are relative.
Yes, man, I'm pity you cut up, but you want to wake up.
Please,
You want
I
to do
you
it
to
too.
apologize.
Me say me want no. Me
Withdraw
never
the
said. Me never said.
statement.
Why you say it in words?
I did tell you that I take it back. I
Yeah,
did
what are
say
you
I
gonna
take
say
it
now?
back.
No, on behalf,
Don't
whatever.
say me
Just
serious. Me and my pity them to live for me. Can't manage them someday.
yeah, we don't run them serious joke there. On behalf of Susan people, we apologize for the statement that she made. It was unconsciously said. She never
Yes,
mean
I
it.
was
It was
just
just
fooling
It was the
around
heat of the
by
moment.
saying
Heat of the
that.
it was
moment.
the heat
It's
of
not.
the people.
Yes.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, it's not
seriously
serious.
speaking on behalf of
Nobody,
Steve,
look,
to
people,
Rhoda in
please do not
general, in
take it serious. Do
particular,
not take me. And
and
that,
the other labor rights in general. Please,
yeah.
that was just, it was not becoming of Susan. So we accept her apology. It is not the like of her. Thank you.
No,
We
I
Yeah,
come
don't.
to
It's
this.
not.
some years in the last budget debate, Dr. Nigel Clark would have said something and it jump over everybody's head. And me keep on saying it over and over so people can't open their eye. Nigel said that because of what is happening in the Asia and in America, where they are moving away from gasoline vehicle to electric vehicle and sending off the cheap vehicle them to the to the Caribbean. Jamaica is becoming a junkyard. There are a lot of vehicle. Manchester is going to be a junkyard. There are a lot of vehicle. Why is one parish? Kingston is the biggest in terms of manufacture and production. And why are you telling me that one parish has more than 100 car mart in some places where car mart not even for there? And you're
In a
telling me
coffee
that
piece,
I
boss.
know
In a
a lot.
coffee piece.
I know.
Yeah.
There's a lot here. I know there's a lot here. A lot of karma here for real.
there's
Man.
Give them
there's
license.
listen to me,
Sugar.
Susan, when
Yeah.
we have
Them
young
get the
people
license
leaving.
because things are going on under the desk.
Yes, we
Try remember
know.
that.
We know that.
There are things underneath the decks. Me no want no more go on.
We know that. But what I am saying is that for a parish that has an highway
The
now,
nice mandible.
45 minutes to Kingston, right? And you're yet to get another highway close to go to Montego Bay. I am saying that. Why is it that they and I am blaming the MP too, you know. Me I go blame
Yeah.
the MP. Because why is it that we are not advocating for some companies that are in Kingston or in Montego Bay to open business
In my
in
yeah.
central
So much.
Jamaica
But
so
then
that
hold
young
on there,
people
Craighead,
yeah
mandible, ram up, When me say
ram up
ram
with
up,
what?
no space in the part,
No,
But
do you know that the town
talk, my brother.
extend?
Hold on, let me talk, no, sir. One of the big problems from time immemorial is that they talk. You see, like the residential part, some residential areas where they close to the town. In a
Uh-huh.
planning beforehand, the motivation team they're so close to the town.
Yes, man, we know that.
You understand? You see, from like say New Green roundabout coming from Williamsfield side, and this of the town should have start from. And like where soldier camp they from coming from the south and this
Yes.
stuff. Cause you have right, and if you when you consider it, everybody converts from the little town and man every day,
Yeah.
That's just everything happen. And
Yes,
by
but
night
bear this
everybody
in
come
mind.
back to where they live.
Rig, bear
Yeah.
this in mind. They are the business aspect of Manchester expand. And let me tell you where one or the other place that we're not utilizing where business is concerned. Williamsfield is a major ground for any business to go.
I
Yes.
agree.
Yes.
I agree.
Any business to go to
Yes.
Williamsfield. From Williamsfield,
Yes.
come straight up the highway there, so any
Yeah.
business should go there. Because see, right now we know that the SWMA is going to move from Mandela Plaza. They're going to move from Mandela Plaza and they're going on the highway.
Who that?
Solid waste.
Okay.
Solid waste is going to move. Also, the what you call it, electoral office is going to move also.
Them man take them out of town, cause the town too congested, man.
Right? The electoral office
JPS.
going down
JPS.
by bus
Also
park there. So,
JPS. Also JPS.
so, so
GPS, if you ask me, should I have some satellite or some other offices like say one at Christiana, one at Spalding's, one wherever. So your people now all convert from the town just to pay a light bill. You know what I mean?
that is the
Exactly.
thing. That is the thing. But what I am saying is that we elected officials in Manchester, especially the good parish council we are serving for much years. I am saying the only achievement that they can speak about under the former MP is the cheapest call center.
Me say, you know what
And the
sweet me?
400, and the 4, remember the legacy to the 400 million we got there.
You know,
No, take time and talk about that one day.
me say,
No, no,
you
but I
know
tell you
what
if you
sweet
talk
me?
about it louder with tax dollars. Sure.
You know what sweet me? You know what did sweet me? After the election, about 2 years, after, then put him back, then mayor. And so when me look to behind me, got Mandeville, when me look at police and metro, I run after people, them off of the sidewalk with loudspeaker, me say, no bitch, you know. Oh, no bitch, you know. Yeah,
But
people will catch up a Mandeville.
Susan,
Yes, man.
that was not really a parish council only thing, you know. It was boosted by the superintendent, you know, the new pope. And let me tell you, Susan, while we might look funny and tell the people them they ditch them, it was needed, Susan. Mandeville becoming like a downtown Kingston.
But people have to do their hustling. People
Yes,
But I
but
have
say
to.
Susan, hear
no,
the thing.
but God we can
Susan, isn't it,
designated
hold on now.
areas.
Susan, isn't it unfair? Isn't it unfair for my grandmother to
Yeah.
go to the market, where sell her goods and pay for her liquor stall, and you out a road, freely I get all I customer them and
Then
not pay
that's why
nothing.
me
Do
say
you
it. And
realize
that's
that?
why me.
Do you
That's why
realize
I
that,
say it,
Susan,
bitch.
that
That's why I say it. That's why because I would vote for you. So I would
but
vote for them. There's something there.
the other
I
thing that
would
you
vote
should
for them.
understand,
Because
Susan,
the thing
half of
say.
the people that where they out a road where I sell clothes. You say, Susan, majority of the people that where you say out a road that sell clothes, they are not from Manchester.
I know.
They're
I
not
know.
from Manchester. And that is why you have the arcade left there empty with Manchester people in there.
No way. Look here. Look here. Me tell you something, man. Things can be so much different, but guess what happened? Then people in a man, they not use their head. They not use their head, man. They not use
One
their
day a
head.
belly full of
One
people
liquor,
then.
$5,000. Sitting and liquor food. For not even 1 week, and that's it.
$5,000 can last you for 3
But
hours. Please,
Susan,
not
I
even
giving
that.
you a
You hear
message
me? I tell you.
for your family. I giving you a message for your family. Tell because I'm a friend, but I haven't talked to her in a long while. Can me have
Yeah.
her up. But let me tell you something. Tell Miss Rhoda said
Yes.
that she need to start keep her little meeting them in the
Oh, I
community
think I'm the
them.
one, sister. I think
Well,
I'm
no.
one sister.
Tell Rhoda say, this is how me see it. Bring somebody from even her trust come keep some meeting. All when you're not plan to help the
No
people
man,
there.
that happened. That is
Well,
happening. I'm telling you.
no, but I am no. Me I tell you what. Me I tell you something when me tell a couple people fi tell her. You know, you need to come round and keep your little meeting them. Even if you can help everybody, come make we talk. Because sometimes people just want to see you. You know, don't
That's what
become
I
like
said
a
to her
Peter
as well.
Bunting
I
where
said it to
we
her.
never see him none at all.
Yes. I
You
said,
Craig.
yeah,
understand?
we did that. Listen, let me tell
All
you
right,
something
Craig.
now. We did
Yes.
all of that. Me work in a Royal Flat Division right through. From the day me can't vote, me I work in a Royal Flat Division. And that's on the first time me vote, it was for Avril Clark. Avril Clark, the councillor there. The
Yes, man.
first
Good,
thing
good, Miss Clark. God bless her soul.
yes. That was the first time I vote. It was for Miss Clark. She won the election. She won that year. Me tell Rhoda over and over said, listen, people you don't need money. The people that know say you don't have it. But your presence must be felt.
Then Sue said, we're talking about the good mayor, you know. You think the mayor do anything?
Do what?
But
Do
what the
when me
mayor
don't know
good
if
at?
him do nothing back
But
down for
but
him
what the
side
mayor good at?
or whatever. But he no do nothing for yourself. Me no know
But well,
and
I
me
know.
no know if him
Listen, me
doing
no man.
anything.
So said, the good mayor is good at presence.
Bad bad. Bad bad.
Presence.
Bad bad.
He did not do
Yes.
anything, but he's good at presence.
Yes. Anyway, nothing there. Him a did there.
Even
That's
if
a
I put
truth.
on 2 minutes,
If I want
presence,
2 minutes,
man.
him a look for you.
Come
And
here,
say
say,
me I run
Rhoda.
back.
And
Me
this
I
is
run
what
way
I
back.
am saying. Miss Crawford, um, good prime minister never give you no position in a cabinet. Simple me, you have more time now. So guess what, Miss Crawford,
Why what?
between
He-
December and February, every community in a central Manchester supposed to can see you and shake your hand.
Exactly. I told her every minute. Me have one cousin. Me don't know how we not footless. Or we walk fear. For the election we gone our auntie and our auntie and me tell her something. Me tell her my foot it, you know. My foot it for Rhoda. My foot. Me stay upon the ground fear. Yeah? I was away 4 months ago. And Rhoda was like, cousin, if you make case and come back to Jamaica. Come back to Jamaica. Cause she know say when it comes to certain things, me have her back. Me have her back with certain things.
Gran, you did
Yeah?
have to say something?
So are you are doing that part of the politics also for Rhoda?
Gran,
Me a
let me tell you,
campaign
I
for my
am a
cousin.
well, I know.
Sir, you couldn't
Gran,
ask
Yeah, man.
that.
May I ask Craig?
You
Gran,
couldn't ask that,
I am
sir.
a listen to me, Gran. I am a staunch labor right. Anybody in man never that know that I am a staunch labor right. But listen to me. Um, I am not as dedicated as Suzette
Who's
are
it?
is when it comes on to underground. But I'll defend the policy and defend the parish. No, this is the thing. I will give my suggestion because nobody know the game better than the spectator in a football game. Nobody know the football game better than the spectator. We see all of the moves and the shots them where we take. So the player themselves, them a play, but we see the game where we play. So I am giving the suggestion. I have heard persons who even call in Van Cliff Hughes online and would have complained about certain things that I am telling you about regarding visibility. We know what visibility can do. It is not that we're saying that Madam Crawford come through and come with a bag of money and so on. People know a good hardworking people are labor right, you know. Come in and visibility. Come make somebody say, Miss Crawford, you know, so we road up and someone fix and you say, all right, you're gonna look into it. Your mind not look into it right now, but you're gonna look into it. Then just want to hear like a confident to say, all right, my MP can talk to me. That's what we're saying. And guess what? We don't want, because guess what? The person who is going to run against her has visibility lack.
Oh, but we also need to think there, like
put it out there, let people know her, just by talking about her from our point of view.
No, but people in
By talking
Manchester
about,
know about. But that's the thing, people in Manchester know that the MP is working. There's no doubt
yeah,
about
man,
it.
but
People know, but what I am saying is that working is one. But I look at this now. We use the Jamaica Labour Party. People in Jamaica know that the government is working, but getting across the message and seeing. Look last year before the local government election when people defend the party, but look upon the crowd when the prime minister decided to step out. There
yeah,
was
man,
a
I agree with
there
that
was a
now.
difference. There was a difference. So nothing. There's no argument about we can defend Miss Crawford with her work. Our work speak for her. But at the same time, we are saying come down to we level. Come walk foot in a mandeville, keep on town hall meeting. And I've been advocating for this. I went down to the office and I said, right on the greens, Miss Crawford, keep on town hall meeting, get the police, get whoever stakeholders, keep on town hall meeting. And make people come, put up one mic, no over chatting, make your people them come ask questions about this and that, and you can answer them. Keep on town hall meeting, make people talk to you. I tell them, I will never forget this thing with Bruce Golden, Bruce Golden, and I mean, wish Andrew would have take up here, but if I have something to come in, can take a suggestion. I can't forget when Bruce Golden went to Bruce Prime Minister Prime Minister Live. When Bruce Golden went on the radio station a certain night. I don't know if you guys remember. And
Yeah,
people
man,
could
no
have
insights.
call in and talk to them Prime Minister. Because sometimes we don't want to talk to some other people, we want to talk to the Prime Minister and say, Mr. Prime Minister, say so and so and so. And we know, say, somehow we know, say, a problem what we are talking about, probably never get fixed right now. But just say no, say somebody here. Just say no, saying here. And he might give one
Ba-
response. We feel
Based on
comfortable.
based on how they are working and the machinery is working and so forth, we need to think that even if we're not seeing their present for now, we who call ourselves the dedicated labor rights, we have to go out there and let their present be feel. Even when they're not there, we can say things to people, and let it feel
That's
like
true.
they are
We
there,
can't, yeah.
right? So
And
Yeah.
that
we
is
can
true.
do that.
Yeah.
That is true,
A
and
whole
there's
heap
no
of that me do. A whole
we,
heap of that
we
me too
not
fit.
dispute that, that has been done. But where I'm saying is that while you talk about the goodness about what somebody do, nothing go better than seeing the person in
Yeah,
person.
we know that the present of the
Me say me
person
dey,
and
let me
nothing
tell you,
else. But
me say I never forget this man. Me say media work. A Manchester infirmary when a election day, me I tell her say me I use my phone and I work. My phone I work. I work for Rhoda. Me I say, no go for this person, yeah. She come out already, she vote already. No, we don't well no go for she we come on a goddess so on a goddess so. I just saw me if I use my phone. Rhoda can't tell you, tell you man. She can't tell you. Sunday, come Sunday, I'll be at Manchester High School or wherever it leads.
because to me she seems like a very hard working young lady. She have make so much
Very
change, and
much, I'm telling you.
that is one of the reasons why the people in the next constituency realize that they can do better. Right? That is the reason why yesterday come out and protest against that PMB fellow. Because they know that if they are changing course when Central Manchester had changed course and put in Rhoda Crawford, a lot of difference would be taking place in their constituency also,
Yeah.
right? That is the reason why they feel that they should really come out and protest, right?
The only seat under the People's National Party down there, and the rest of constituents them a look up. I just the one they not now going for.
Though the other constituency them are develop, right? And I hear a young lady, you know, police man that she name. I've been hearing her coming out and talking that the young man is doing nothing. I've been doing nothing for so long. She's been talking, and over that course, I think I've been hearing her for 2 years now. And you want to tell me over that course of years, he could not do something towards his constituency?
The man not here.
He does not care about the people. And until we Jamaican realize that the only political party that have our interests at heart, I don't really know none otherwise from the two, but the only one I see out of the both of them that have our interests at heart is the Jamaica Labour Party.
Yes.
Yes.
When me look and me see, when me look and see a big opposition leader. Me look all of them conference and what take place at them conference. Me I say, no, sir, it's not real.
All right, everybody. Life come to an end
All
tomorrow.
right.
Yeah, all right,
Okay.
everybody. Bye.
All right, info.